Good morning, my dear students. Hope everyone is good and safe at home and attending online classes and preparing for notes also, right? So, today we are going to discuss about a beautiful poem. So, this poem is there after this unforgettable Salim Ali lesson. Last class, we have discussed about the poem that is the victory. So that is very beautiful poem it was. Like that only today we are going to see the one more beautiful poem that is if ever I see. As a word says that if ever I see, ever in the sense means not going to see. Hmm? If ever I see means not going to see anymore. The poem urges us all to help preserve and protect the natural world. This poem says about saving of the world that is the natural. Okay. See, in the whole planet, the human being is also a creature of God. At the same time, the forest, okay, the forest, the river, okay, rain, sun, moon, earth, planet, animals, birds, all the things are creature of God only. As a human being or as a mankind, we have to save, protect the other creature of the God, and we should give respect as we are human being, and so as God says, as the nature says, a human being is more intelligent than any other creature of the God. So like this poem says about to save, to preserve, and to protect about the natural world, so that young birds can grow safely and fly freely. So, my dear students, we know that because of using mobile, because of using technology, and because of cutting the trees and constructing the cities, places, all. So, we are not seeing so many birds in our locality. If it goes like this only, so soon we are going to see all the birds in the picture like that what we are seeing in this poem. So it is a humble request, it is a pain of the poet that saying we have to help preserve, protect the natural world so that young bird can grow safely and fly freely. If ever I see on bush or tree young bird in their pretty nest, it's always a very beautiful to see the birds in the nest on the tree. But what happens if there is no tree at all? There is no nest. If there is no nest, so then there is no bird. So these all are dependent on oneself. So if there is no tree, there is no nest. If there is no nest, there is no tree. Okay. I must not in play steal the birds away to grave their mother breeds. Okay. So here it is grave is nothing but to feel great sadness. So we should not grab the small birds from the nest and take the birds from the mother and make it as far as the thing. Okay, so we cannot, should not separate the mother and the birds. This first stanza says that if ever I see on bush or tree young birds in their pretty nest, I must not play. Means I should not play with the birds, steal the birds away. Means I should not play with the nest and I should not play with the small birds also to grave their mother's breast. So my mother's I know would sorrow so. If I do like that, so think that you were taken, or you are, people are making you separate, or people are taking away from your mother so far, then how you will feel? Yes, obviously it is a pain. It is a, definitely some people are going to cry, or some people cries definitely. Or if the parents, if the human being lost their parents, lost their belongs loved persons, how they will feel? They will feel that. So like that only birds also, if you take the small birds or eggs from the nest and if you start playing with that one, definitely it is a time that the mother is going to cry. Should I be stolen away? So I will speak to the birds. So it's not the question of stolen here, stealing. Means we should not steal, okay? And it means that we should not make separate for mothers and the children. Means birds. So I will speak to the birds in, I may soften words nor hurt them in my play. So if you want to play with the birds, play with a distance, play with care, concern, should not give trouble to birds, we should not hurt them, and we should not pluck the nest, or we should not disturb to the nest. You have to play the birds with softly, yes, and you may teach how to speak. You may give the language that you are speaking now. Okay, like that. So my mother I know would sorrow. So should I be stolen away? If I be stolen, okay, now definitely my mother is going to cry. Like that, if you take the birds from the nest, that definitely the mother bird is going to cry. So like that, if you want to speak with the bird, speak softly, care them with a softness, and care politely. And when they can fly in the bright blue sky, and if you care softly, and if you don't disturb to the nest, don't disturb the birds, they can fly in the sky without any hesitation and without getting fear. If you uh, put in the cage, so definitely they may forget how to fly. But if you leave openly to them, to the birds, to birds, definitely they can fly high and high in the bright blue sky. They will warble the song to me. Okay, verbal is nothing but song softly with a succession of consistently changing note. You might have seen that the so many birds in the forest, so many birds in the zoo, they sings in their different tones, styles, with the dancing also. Yes, you might have seen in the zoos also, they sing, they shout, okay, with their different voice, with the different style and different dancing positions. And then if I am sad, it will make me glad. Okay, if sometimes if I am sad, if my mind is not good, if I am upset, definitely the birds songs of the birds playing, okay, it may change my mood and I may get refresh once again. To think they are happy and free. So if the humankind should be happy, if the humankind wants to be happy, we should save the birds, we should save the trees, we should save the nature. Means not only saving, we should preserve, we should protect, then only we are going to see the birds. If not, if you are destroying, if you are giving if you are disturbing birds, nest, tree, all those things, so the days are going to be very bad for our next generations. So they may be chances of they see the birds in the posters only. So it is a very kind poem, it is a very heart touching or the very soft poem. Here the request of the pain of the poet, that we should save the birds, we should save the trees and all. Here the author was an American author and an anti-slavery activity. In her 20s, Child began to write popular historical novels such as Obmok and The Rebels in 1826. She established a periodical for children called the Genuinely Miss Lane. So like that, here the my dear students, I would like to read once again this one. Okay. If ever I see on bush or tree young birds in their pretty nest, I must not in play steal the birds away to grieve their mother's breath. My mother, I know, would sorrow so. Should I be stolen away? So I'll speak to the birds in my softed words, nor hurt them in my play. And when they can fly in the bright blue sky, they will warble a song to me, and then if I am sad, it will make me glad to think they are happy and free. So like that. So this is a poem regarding savings of birds, savings of nature, my dear students. So today we have finished almost 70% of our syllabus. Now only 8, 9, 10, 3 lessons, 2 poems are there. 1, 2, 3 lessons, 3 poems. What is that? 3 lessons, 3 poems are there. So I don't know about the writing part of few things. Most of you are not sending homework. Most of you are not writing the classwork. Okay. So if you are not going to write and classwork, so there will be FA test after some days. So that I am not allowing you to sit for that one. So please keep in mind that. So it's very important message to you all that complete your classwork, because I have sent all the question answers of the all lessons and poems neatly in a group with the page number I have mentioned, with the lesson also, with the poem also I have mentioned neatly. But very few students are replying and very few students are coming to school and getting corrected. So it's hard word to say that. It's very tough to say to me also. So usually I don't say to any students. It's very tough to me, and very sad to say that most of you are not doing work, not writing classwork and not doing anything. So it may be going to lose, it may be going to trouble you a lot if you won't do the homework classwork. So still time is there, my dear students. Do as much as possible and try to come to school for getting corrected. Sign and put your attendance that sir, I have done this much, I have understood this much, I am not understanding this else, I didn't understand this grammar part. So whatever your queries are there, so come to school and take it granted. So it's a word again, I am saying that. So with this only 3 lessons and 3 poems are left to you. So it is up to you. If you do work, so it will be great job from your end in the by sitting at home only. If you are not doing, so definitely you have to pay for that one. So thank you so much, my dear students. So hope you understood this poem very easily. So soon I am going to send the question answer for this one. So thank you so much. See you. Take care.